Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, I want to talk about profile images. Profile images, putting faces to names in your directory. So we are currently in our directory, and by now, if you have watched a couple of the videos, you probably recognize that directory is under people and groups, and you click directory. Now on the directory dashboard, this is where all the names live. But I want to talk about a very wonderful and powerful feature that allows you to, you could say, quickly or easily identify the members that are a part of your church. And that is profile images. Currently, we have one profile image. Let me zoom this up a little bit. We have one profile image, which is Adams Nicole. But to add a profile image is very, very easy. To add a profile image, you just click on the name, and it's gonna open the member profile. Since Nicole Adams profile image is there already, I'm just gonna click on someone else. So I'm gonna click on Emily Allen, and right here, notice you have this plus sign. This plus sign, when you click that plus sign, it opens a dialog box where you can search your computer to find an image that quote unquote goes with that name, that goes with that person. So currently we have Emily, and I'm looking for an image on my computer that can possibly go with Emily. Just trying to find the right image here. You are not seeing the pop-up box, but I do have a box here that I'm scrolling through some images on my computer. So I'm just gonna use this one here. Maybe, I don't know, this one, Emily Allen. Okay, this one is fine. This one is fine. So this is an image that I popped up. So let me just do one more. That's Emily Allen. So if I should just refresh the page, there you go. Emily Allen's photo is there. So let me find Baker Johnson. And you just click this little plus sign here. And, preferably to have some professional photos taken if possible. So let me just upload this image, and there you go, Baker Johnson. And it's as easy as that, guys. But notice what happens. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Notice what happens now. Your membership profile, notice the images start showing up now, right? And it's just easy to identify people, easy to find people, make things look a little cleaner. But also, when this particular member logs in on their dashboard, guess what? They are going to also see their profile image. Of course, they could change their own profile image, or they could allow the church to change it as well. But just want to introduce you to this feature. It's not like a grand feature, but it's one of those features that you could say features that is very subtle, and it just keep the whole thing in symmetry, so to speak, and looking beautiful. So I want to invite you to do get profile images and put faces to the names in your directory. All right, if possible, get professional photos from the members, but until you get professional photos, take what you can get. All right, so may the Lord bless you, and I'll catch you on the next one.